Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Okay, I hope you all very great. Okay children, so far we have completed unit 1 and then today we are going to unit 2. Okay children, look at this picture. Can you guess anything else? Yes, there are group of people standing in a place. Yes, what we call a group of people? Yes, we can call a group of people team. Yes, today we are going to see about a poem, teamwork. Okay children, let me ask you one question. Do you like to work and play with others? Yes, everyone like to play with others. Okay children, let's move into the text line. Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. So in this first stanza, the poet says teamwork is very important. So we can bring our dreams come true by working together. And together we can share our joys of achieving something. So this is what the poet says in the first stanza, and let's move to the next stanza. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots, and the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. So, okay, in this stanza the poet says that it's a fun to put the ball through the basketball ring, okay, but we cannot shoot if there is no one to pass the ball. Okay, similarly the poet says that in the relay race we cannot achieve the target if nobody pass the baton properly. Okay, so this is what the poet convey the message in this second stanza. Okay, let's move to the next stanza. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Okay children, in this stanza the poet says that when we work together we become strong, and then it is very easy to achieve the common goal. So this is what the poet says in this poem. Okay children, so let's move to the new words. See here, shoot means hit, hoop means ring of the basket, and baton means short stick or a short iron stick which is used in the relay. So there are so many things to learn in the teamwork, such as we can identify our strength and weakness, we can develop our communication skill, we can learn how to be a hard worker, we can learn how to be a supportive of one another, we can increase our ability, we can get new ideas from others, we can learn lots of good habits from others, we can learn to be a good leader, we can learn to handle the difficult situation, and we can learn how to solve the problems, and we can self-analyze ourselves. So the team is not simply a group of people. There are so many things it consists. So okay children, I hope you understood this lesson. So thank you children, take care, bye.